hello to everyone. You are welcome to my channel Felix Techno Ed to help you increasing your knowledge through technical videos. If you are new here, make sure you click on subscribe button. There is a subscribe button that you see on your screen. Click on it. So today I'm going to show you how you can check pressure sensor of washing machine. This is a Kubabo Samsung washing machine, so it has a problem of not draining water. Sometimes it drains and sometimes it doesn't. So now I'm going to check pressure sensor using this handheld oscilloscope. So if your washing machine is draining water but still displaying drain error code, you have to check pressure sensor. So let me show you how you can do it. So make sure you have digital oscilloscope. Let me jump you through in this video and show you how you can clearly do it. Normally the pressure sensor, it is a LC oscillator. So internally it has two capacitors and one inductor. One inductor with moving ferromagnetic core. That ferromagnetic core is attached to the diaphragm. So now the diaphragm is also attached to the hose from air chamber. When the drum has water, when there is a water inside the drum, it pushes air inside air chamber, and that pressurized air push diaphragm. So now that diaphragm converts pressure into force to push that ferromagnetic core. If that ferromagnetic core is inserted into inductor, the frequency can increase or decreases. That's why we have to check this water pressure sensor using this digital oscilloscope. So now I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot or check pressure sensor for washing machine. So now I'm going to detach this cable here. I show you what is pressure sensor. Pressure sensor, it is a sensor usually to sense water level. So it has 3 pins, 1, 2nd, and 3rd pin. The first pin, it is signal negative, 2nd is ground, and the 3rd pin, it is signal positive. Now you have to measure the frequency. You have to measure the frequency between signal positive and signal negative. Make sure you have a digital oscilloscope like this one. This is a handheld oscilloscope. You can find it from eBay. So to measure the frequency, you have to connect this probe. This is a ground and this is a positive. You have to measure the frequency between signal positive, pin positive, and pin negative. Let me show you how to do it. So now I hope you can see. This is S negative, ground, S positive. Signal positive, signal negative, and ground. So now we have to measure the frequency between signal positive and signal negative. Now the drum is empty drum. Let me check frequency. First of all, I'm going to connect these 2 probes. One here to signal negative and one here to signal positive. I can attach ground here. press on auto mode. You see now the frequency is 25.4 kilohertz with empty drum. I hope you can see. With empty drum, the frequency is 25.4 kilohertz. Let me start it. Let me start the washing machine to see if it takes water, how much frequency is going to be, or is going to show. Empty drum. It is emptying water. It is emptying the drum, sorry. Now the frequency is 25.4 kilohertz. You see, the frequency is decreasing. I hope you can hear the sound. It is taking water. Frequency is decreasing. You see now the frequency is 23.8 kilohertz. I hope you can see. .8. It is fluctuating because it is spinning. The motor is rotating. That's why it is fluctuating. 23.8. 23.6 kilohertz. .4 kilohertz. 23.3 kilohertz. It keeps taking water. Now it is 23.0 kilohertz. Now I can stop it and disconnect the hose from pressure sensor to air chamber and see what is the frequency. So I hope you can see this is the hose which is connected to this sensor and to the air chamber down there. There is the air chamber. So now I'm going to disconnect this hose and then I measure the frequency. Now I have disconnected this hose. Now let me check the frequency when this hose is disconnected. But remember, the water is in a tap. It is inside the tap. There is water. So now I'm going to check the frequency. Is it 23.0? Is it 25.4? So now let me check. I hope you can see it is displaying 25.4 kilohertz. You see now the hose is disconnected. So now let me connect it again and see if the frequency changes. Now you see the frequency is still the same because there is air. Outside air went inside. That's why it is displaying this frequency as if it is empty. So now I'm going to restart the cycle to take out that water. So I put it on and then I change the program. Then I start. At this time it can display an error code. Let me stop it. So now I have drained water. So I'm going to restart the washing machine and see the output. Check frequency. You see it starts decreasing. Hey guys, I hope you have seen how you can troubleshoot or check pressure sense of washing machine. If the drum is empty, you will get 25.5 kilohertz. When the drum is full of water, you will get the frequency of 23.0 kilohertz. If the frequency is not increasing or decreasing, when the washing machine is taking water, in that case, check the hose or air chamber. You can check this hose if it is not loose, or if it is not punched, or if it is not damaged. If everything is okay, this hose is connected, and also it is okay, and the frequencies are okay, and it keep displaying error, drain error. In that case, you have to change main controller. The main controller is defective. Also, if you are not finding any value of frequency, check connections. The cable from main controller to this sensor. Check if they are not loose. If you find they are loose, try to reconnect. If the cable connections are okay, this hose is okay, you can disconnect this hose and try to blow air inside, because sometimes air chamber get blocked by limb scale or stranger object or foam from soap. They can block air chamber. If the air chamber is blocked, the air pressure will not push the diaphragm inside of this pressure sensor. This diagnosis is performed when washing machine is draining, the drain pump is okay, the drain filter is okay, but the washing machine is still displaying error code. In that case, you have to check or to perform this step or to check pressure sensor. It drains water, you check the drain filter, there is no substance stuck, drain motor is okay, and then washing machine still displaying error code, drain error code. Now you have to check pressure sensor, cables, and this hose and air chamber. But I have to remind you one thing: someone who is not yet subscribed, he can do it today. Just click on that subscribe button you see on your screen. Click on it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Thank you.